Hi, thanks for joining us today to talk about 3M building protection products. This video is part of a series to teach you how you can build smarter with 3M. My name is Forrest Melcher and I'm an application engineer at 3M. Today we're going to talk about how to utilize a slit liner on a detailing tape to improve your application and efficiency. There are two products in the 3M air barrier lineup that utilize a slit liner, 3015 NP and 3015 TWF. The slit liner can help you improve your application and reduce wrinkles or gaps. The slit liner can also be used to help initiate the liner release. So if you pull apart at the middle and push the liner away, it's an easy way to create a tab that you can start the liner removal from. As part of the 3M air barrier system, a double layer is required on inside and outside corners. For an inside corner application, we're going to utilize a 3-3 slit liner configuration. As part of the 3M air barrier system, we require a double layer of membrane at all inside corners. This can be installed before or after the field membrane. We'll start by folding the tape in half along the slit, removing the first half of the liner, this will allow us to neatly position the tape into the corner avoiding any tents or gaps. Now we can remove the second half of the liner and again get it tucked neatly into the corner using hand pressure to tack it in place. For an outside corner application, we're going to utilize a 3-3 slit liner, which ensures our 2-inch minimum overlap on either side. As part of the 3M air barrier system, a double layer is required on all outside corners. This can be done before or after installation of the field membrane. We're going to fold the tape in half right along the slit and use that slit to initiate our liner release. As we remove half the liner, this allows us to position the tape very precisely along the outside corner and use hand pressure to tack it in place. After we've finished that, we can remove the other half of the liner and we can bring that half of the tape around the corner, nice and even, minimizing or eliminating any wrinkles. Again, using hand pressure to tack it in place. Detailing a rough opening, a 2-4 slit configuration can ensure your 2-inch overlap onto your sheathing. So we'll start by folding the tape in half again, removing the 2-inch side of the liner, which will allow us to position the tape right along the bottom of our rough opening. Then we'll remove the other half of the liner and fold that tape onto the sill or jambs. This feature can also be really useful for after your window is installed, being able to position the tape onto the window flange without fighting exposed adhesive on the other side. For detailing an extended buck, we're going to utilize a 2-7 slit liner configuration. First, removing the 2-inch portion of the liner, which will allow us to maintain a 2-inch overlap onto our sheathing. Then we can easily position this tape, apply it in place with hand pressure, and remove the second half of the liner to fold this tape around and into the rough opening. Again, using hand pressure to tack it into place. As we've shown today, 3M offers a variety of widths and slit configurations that can cater to different projects or applications. Thank you again for joining us today, and if you'd like more information, please reach out to our local sales team or refer to our website.